Welcome back to our channel, where we explore topics that promote a healthy lifestyle. Today's video is all about the top 15 foods that are great for kidney health. Our kidneys play a vital role in filtering out waste and toxins from our body. Let's jump right into our list, starting with number 15, blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants that help protect the kidneys from damage. Next up at number 14, we have red bell peppers, which are low in potassium but high in vitamins A and C. Moving on to number 13, we have garlic, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to lower cholesterol. Number 12 on our list is cauliflower, a great source of vitamin C and folate, and low in potassium. At number 11, we have olive oil, which is rich in healthy fats that promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Coming in at number 10 is pineapple, loaded with bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. Let's move on to number 9, strawberries, which are high in vitamins C and B9 and contain antioxidants. Number 8 on our list is fish, especially those rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and trout. Fish can help reduce inflammation and decrease the risk of kidney disease. At number 7, we have apples, packed with fiber and antioxidants that help lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Moving on to number 6, we have cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable that supports kidney health with its high vitamin K content. Number 5 on our list is cherries, known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cherries can help reduce inflammation and promote overall kidney health. Let's move on to number 4, egg whites, a great source of high-quality protein while being low in phosphorus. At number 3, we have sweet potatoes, rich in vitamins A and C and a good source of dietary fiber. Number 2 on our list is kale, packed with vitamins A and C, fiber, and minerals that support kidney health. And finally, at number 1, we have watermelon, which is 92% water and helps promote proper kidney function and hydration. That wraps up our list of the top 15 foods for kidney health. Remember to incorporate them into a balanced diet. As always, consult with a medical professional for personalized dietary advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.